Thread. Today I have a haul for you from a place that I often forget about, but actually every time I order from there, I love it, and I don't know why I forget about it, but it is Gap Factory or Gap Outlet. They have such incredible prices, you guys, and the quality on these items is really, really good. So I'm very excited to share with you. Everything will be linked in the video description. First of all, the dress that I'm wearing, I may never take this off. This thing feels like pajamas. It is so comfortable. It's a really, really soft, simple cotton blend. It's got pockets on both sides, smocked on the top, simple silhouette, but it is just so comfortable to wear. And in the heat of the summer, I'm a dress gal, and this is a go-to for me, and I'm in the medium in this one. These shorts are my favorite thing from this entire haul. So if you're only gonna get one thing from this haul, I highly recommend these. I'm very, very picky about denim shorts. I've talked about this a lot, but I hate when they're super tight on, and I hate when they're that crunchy denim that's just not comfortable to wear. And these are stretchy pull-on waist. They do have a true button here, but honestly, this is so stretchy that you could just pull them on and off. And also they are really soft denim fabric. So it's not quite a chambray, it's still a true denim, but it's a very stretchy, soft denim. Love the fit on these. They're not fitting too tight on the thighs or on the booty, and they are super flattering on, and the length is great too. And I have the medium in these. It's also a great place for wardrobe basics. This top looks so similar to the J. Crew one that I shared in my last video that has been one of my most worn items, except this one is much, much more affordable. So little ruffle sleeve. This is a ribbed fabric that's very soft on, and it's pretty slim fitting to the body, but not super, super tight. This comes in lots of color options. I personally love the pink, but there's neutrals as well, and I had the medium in this. Here's another great pair of pull-on shorts. These do not have a button. They're just true elastic. Again, they are very, very loose and flowy, which I am loving. This is like a sage color, but they have khaki, they have black, they have several color options. They've got little utility pocket on the sides, and these are like a linen blend. Super comfortable to wear, and the price on these, y'all, is like kind of mind-blowing, and I have the medium in these. And this is a little cutie summer top, great go-to piece, and I actually think this would be cute layered up for workwear too, like with some slacks or a skirt or something. This comes in a black as well, and the only thing I will caution you with this one, it's not see-through, but you do need to wear a nude undergarment under the white or a little cami. So if that bothers you, it does come in a black, but it's super cute, like stretchy, smocked all the way around, and I think the length is hitting just perfectly, and I have the medium. Speaking of wardrobe basics, I think Gap might be my #1 recommendation for somewhere to get a denim jacket. This one's really cute because it's got a little puff sleeve detail on it, but I'm telling you guys, I've had a denim jacket from Gap for literally, it's probably been 7 or 8 years. Like, I've had that thing forever, worn it tons. It still looks as good as the day I brought it home, and these will last you so, so long, and they basically never go out of style. So really, really good wardrobe essential, multi-seasonal. But like I said, this one's fun because it's got the puff sleeve, so you can kind of dress it up a little bit as well or wear it casually. Then I paired that with this fun crochet tank. The only thing I'll say about this is a pretty heavy knit crochet. So I feel like our summers right now in Oklahoma, this is gonna be way too hot for summer. It would be a nice piece for transitioning into fall if you're kind of starting to think about that. And it is good to layer with because it is sleeveless. And I do really like the tan and black stripe on it. This is a great little cargo pant, wear everywhere kind of pant. I think they call them easy pant. The only thing with this one that you're gonna have to look past a little bit in the video is I got the medium petite in these. I tend to fluctuate between petite and regular length. I'm 5'3". These were a little bit too short, so I definitely wish I would have just gotten these in the regular length, and I may go back for them in the regular length because I do love the fit of these. Super comfy, pull on, easy. Teachers, if you're a teacher out there, highly recommend a pant like this. I used to work as a speech pathologist in an elementary school, and I loved something like this where it's like I could dress it up a little bit, but it feels like you're wearing sweatpants. It is the best of both worlds. So if you do like more casual workwear, I think this is a pant that could really come in handy. Here's another great dress option. This one is super fun for summer because it's very bright. It's just pretty floral, and it's a really simple silhouette. So very, very lightweight. This is another one that I will wear over and over in the summertime because I love to just throw a dress on and go and not have to worry about buttons and zippers and crunchy denim and all the things with shorts and pants in the summer. So this one has adjustable straps in the back, smocked on the top, and it does have pockets as well. And I have the medium. Another great wardrobe basic, if you do not have a simple striped ribbed tank, highly recommend one. You will wear this so much, and you will wear it multi-seasonally. These are great to layer with in the fall, and this is a really good fit. So it's stretchy, not too tight. It's got the cute racer back in the back and cute ribbed detailing, and it comes in plain colors as well. And then these jeans are the same fabric makeup as the shorts that I told you I loved, but in like a wide leg jean. So pull on, elastic waist, very comfy, very loose through the leg, and I have the medium in these as well. I love a denim romper moment. I found one of these at Target earlier in the season that I love. This one is similar, except this is more of a stretchy denim. So it does fit a little bit tighter in the bottom area, at least on me for my body type. I tend to carry my weight in my hips, thighs, and booty. So if you have a similar body type to me, you might want to size up in this one just so it's not like tight right there. But it is a little bit more comfortable than the Target one because it does have the stretch. So it's got some structure up here, and then these are true buttons and a true fly as well. That's the latest from Gap Factory. I'm telling you guys, the prices are so good on these things, and the quality is really good, especially at that price point. So I will link everything in the video description, and I'll catch y'all next time.